Hi guys, it's Khushi and in today's video we are going to do a fluid art on an empty glass paint bottle. So here I've taken an empty paint bottle which is still dirty from the inside, but it's okay because we are going to do fluid art, so it is anyways going to be covered. So the second thing that you'll need is a paper cup, which will be useful in mixing the medium and the paint. So here I've taken a Fevicryl Medium which costed me around 20 rupees. After that I've taken an orange paint bottle which also costed me around 20 rupees. As you can see, the paint is little thick, so we are going to mix the medium in the paint. So this is how the medium looks like. It is very watery. So this is used to smoothen out acrylic paints and it is mostly used while doing fluid art, so you can get that smooth flow of colors. So to mix the paint and the medium, I'm using a toothpick. So after mixing the paint, you have to pour it in the paper cup, which will be useful while doing the pouring technique. So this is how the color looks like. After that you are going to create a mouth to the paper cup. So the next color that I'm going to be using is white. Here I'm using the fluid acrylic bottle. If you don't have this, you can simply use white acrylic paint, mix in some medium like we did with the orange color, and then you're ready to use it. So after that I've taken another paper cup in which I've started pouring the white color first, which is followed by the orange color. So we are going to follow the same pattern. So I feel like this much color is enough. After that I've taken a paper onto which I'm going to place my glass bottle upside down. So here I've changed my camera angle so you guys can see how I'm going to pour the colors on the glass bottle. Here I've created a small mouth to the paper cup and I'm simply going to pour in the colors. You can see how smooth the colors are flowing because of the medium. Now you just have to keep this aside for a whole day. Do not keep it directly under the fan. So this is how the final outcome looks like after it is completely dried. So after that I'm going to place in some flowers. So firstly I'm putting some paper inside the bottle. After that I'm placing my flowers. If you want to see how I made this, I will leave a link in the description box. Do check that out. So this is how the final outcome looks like. I hope you guys liked it. If you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more such videos, then comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.